Hmm. Do 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 do. Looks like we're at 10 million honey. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna ask for a quest. Bamboo field 4. I'm just gonna quickly summon Honeystorm, which could help a little bit. Although it makes the mobs invisible sometimes. And the honey itself is invisible. So it did help a little bit. Like 1,000. Bags need every support from honey. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Do do do. Do do do. Hmm. Dude. There. Let's see how much. 20,000, not that bad. 200,000's the thing for Bamboo Fields quest from the brown bear. Okay, that took a few minutes. Okay. It's getting a bit laggy, but it's all fine. The model boat really helps with doing quests when you need storage for that. So I recommend for those people at the 25B zones that haven't got Mono Belt, gets it right now. Because it's just super cool. And I just did it for only, I got it for only a few days. This day I got 10 million honey. Yesterday. Which means I could easily probably get the gummy, the bees mask, L'Oreal, and also one other thing I want to say is that me have 100 tickets. Tickets are good, and 400 gumdrops, which I could probably do some other times for the goo badge. There it is. And I only have done 7 million. I need to do 50 million. Which is kind of good, kind of hard, but I can do it. Since the update's been delayed, I'm still gonna save up my royal jellies to get new types of bees, bigger than how many bees I have. I'm not sure if the... Oh wow, I just bounced. Not sure if I can get more than 25 total bees, because I only discovered 26. But I'm probably gonna get there. And I just need 2 more legendaries so I can have all legendaries. Literally. This leads down to the event bees. 1 event bee. And 3 event bees will probably last forever. And 2 event bees are already gone. But probably they could come back. Like Tabby Bee. It was on its last chance. And now it came back. Just think about it. If the Tabby Bee can do it, so can the Bear Bee. And look how much I need for the beekeeper mask. On the bug complete. I mean, I can't believe how much this costs. I mean, it's under sec, which is good. Collects 1 pollen from 81 with the round pancake, which is awesome, and 3 times from white flowers. It doesn't really matter if it is on a different color. Just pretend that dipper is a honey dipper, and you're doing it right there, and it's times, which is times more than a honey dipper. Well, that's going to be the end of the video today. And I thought I was going to make a 10 minutes, but I will probably stay here more and talk more to make it 10 minutes. But I hope the update gets out earlier. So, bye.